I've arrived at the reservoir. The parking space that I wanted to go to is restricted, so I parked at one of the entrances of one of the paths. So I'm going to do a little recce, put my boots on, put my Craig Hopper top on. It should be fine, I shouldn't get cold. So I'm going to sweat. How cold is it out there? No, it's fine. Moth came in. Yeah, so I'll do a little recce. I might go by the stones because it does make it clear no campfires, so I might go by the stones actually. I might go straight to the stones actually. Save time. It is like, what time was it? 20. So I'm gonna whack on my Craig Hopper top, boots, and have a little wander up there. See what happens really. Yeah. I need to be quite close to the car, so I don't really want to go too far. I'll find a place in the woods anyway. I might go straight to the stone circles tonight, where these other guys went to. Obviously not where the stone circles are, but just a little bit in, and then have a campfire there. I'll have a look at the map, see what I can do. Alright, cool. Right, so having a coffee. I'm going to go to the Fernworthy circles, and then I'll go to the campsite that I wanted to pick, and see what happens. Alright, I'm not going to have a campfire, I ain't got time. So it is 12 o'clock. Okay. It's 3:42 in the morning. I recce'd the Fernworthy forests. I can't pitch my tent there. It's alright for hammocks, but I can't do it. I'm tired. I want to give up. I've travelled all the way here. I'm going to go to Tyne Head Farm. Fuck it. I've fucking travelled all this way, mate. I'm just going to grab my Bergen and walk to the farm. I'm not going to do any more wrecking. I am fucking fucked, mate. Get out, man. Fucking mosquito. Yeah. Got to charge my phone up, switch it off. Don't know how many litres of water I'm going to take with me. I'm going to take 8 litres. Take 8 litres, 2 in each arm. And what I'll do is walk to Tyne Head Farm and camp there. Tyne Head Farm, yeah. They've got some trees there anyway, so okay. Hopefully that'll be successful. I can't go home. I can't give up. Oh, fucking Jesus, what a fucking palaver, mate. It is a working forest, so it's like lumpy as fuck. I won't be able to carry the pack anywhere. The paths are fine. I'm going to basically walk from here to Tyne Head Farm, set up the camp, like my tent and tarp, and see what happens. Yep. signing out. Bye bye. I'm actually quite tired, so I might have a green tea, have some granola and some nuts, sleep in the car. I'm actually quite tired, so if I can get, let's say, it's kind of 4 o'clock now, if I can get up at like 10, and then yeah, I'll start again tomorrow. Yeah, I'll clear out the back seat and then I'll sleep in the back. I've got a blanket there anyway, so I'll just sleep in the car. I'm actually quite tired, so yeah, I think that's the best thing to do really. I'm actually quite tired. It might be better to do it during the day anyway when it's light. Right, I better strip off everything. Start again tomorrow. Okay, there's no point in going back home. It's like a 3-hour journey, mate. Might as well use those 3 hours to go to catch some sleep. Okay, signing out. Morning. I had about 3 hours sleep. As you can see, sort of like loads of I think there might be D&V, like Duke of Edinburgh. I think there were Cessas here. I think I did, as I come in, I saw like 3 tents, like on the as I come in to Thermography. I noticed. Maybe I should have done that, but that's my obsession. At least I stayed in the car. I didn't try to persevere and try to go for another night, try to do it. It's so hard, like looking for a place at night. Lesson learned. Lesson learned, mate. But it's 9:29 in the morning, so I've got loads of time today. So I've noticed that they drove up that road there, which is there. That's where the usual place to park, but obviously I feel a bit more better that I can actually park my car here. So the walkers went down that path there, as you can see. Actually quite curious where that path goes, but I'm not going down there. I'm going to go to where's the map? I don't know where to put the map. Here somewhere. I don't know where to put the map. The map's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So let's have a look. Let's pause that. Here's a map. How to focus that in. There we go. So I walked all the way along here up to where these stones are. There. Okay. Then I walked all the way along there, all the way up to here, and there's a clearing here, and there's no clearing, mate. It's all overgrown by trees. So I went all the way back down here, all the way back down here, and there's nowhere to camp, mate, because it's so uneven. I wouldn't be able to bring the pack there. So I walked all the way back here where the stones were. It's all flat here, but I can't camp here. It's an archaeology, so it's a place of it's an archaeological site, sorry. So I can't camp here, so I just copped, sat down on the stone circles, copped again, and walked back to the car and decided just get my head down for like 2-3 hours, which I did. So my plan is to walk all the way along here, see what this is like here, go all the way along that path there, and apparently that's a good campsite. So there's some trees here, but I can't see this until I've seen it with my own eyes, because what is on the map is not with my eyes. This place here, all of it, this region here is okay for hammock camping, not for tent camping. So through safety reasons I slept in the car, which I'm annoyed about, but I'll end up twisting my ankle or something horrific, so I'm not taking that risk. I might actually take this path down here just as a little treat and just have a look at the reservoir, take a couple of pictures, maybe a video. So let's see where this path takes here, have a little wander around here, have a look at the reservoir. Might as well have a look at this bit here and then come back up here. Cool. So basically that is going to be the campsite there on the moors itself. I can't camp anywhere here. All this is so uneven. I can't, because it's a working forest. They cut trees down and there's stumps and it's literally overgrown. So this region here is all overgrown by grass, and you can't see what's underneath. So a lesson learned. Okay. I'll hopefully have, on the positive side, I'll have a look here, and then I'll look along this region here. I can't camp here because it's specific not to camp anywhere around here, but I'll do it just for a scenic sort of walk. So I'm here anyway. I was going to go home and go back all the way back to Southampton, but I told myself it took me 3 hours to get here, and I was sleep deprived anyway, so not safe to drive super far deprived. I only had 3 hours sleep yesterday. Alright, one more coffee and then have a little walk around here, back here, and then walk all the way up to here. This is about a 15-minute walk. That's nothing for me.